No more wondering if Java Burn works. Real users are spilling the beans. Java Burn users are raving about their results, like Sarah, who dropped 15 pounds in just 4 weeks, or Mike, who says his energy levels are through the roof. Even Kate, who noticed her cravings disappeared. Real people, real results. And guess what? They all love the taste. Sounds too good to be true? Check out these transformations. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one might not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Ready to try Java Burn for yourself? Hit that like button if you want more real user reviews. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest health tips and tricks. Java Burn. Real results, real fast. Click the link in the description below and get more information about Java Burn.